Hello and welcome to this particular business problem. Here we are going to talk about level of details, and this is the third problem which we are solving. But before that, if you want more tips and tricks, you can subscribe the channel and also press bell icon for regular updates. So here we are going to talk about daily profit KPI business problem. What is the business problem? So basically, it's very easy for us to find the profit at any level, right? For example, I have a data at the transaction level and I want to know the profit per day, profit per state, profit per different type of data set, right? Different type of granularity. And the same thing, the business problem which I have today is to find the profit per day. So you can see the business problem which we got from Tableau blog. We can certainly view profit trends over time. But what if we measure our success by the total profit per business day? We would probably want to know the number of profitable days achieved each month or year, especially if we are very curious about seasonal effects. The following view shows us how LOD expression allows us to do this, right? So basically this view you can see is helping us understand how many profitable days, how many highly profitable days, and how many unprofitable days are present in per month or per year, anything. So now our task is to create this logic and we have to use LOD for this. So let's get started. We'll go to Tableau and try to resolve or try to solve this problem. So here is Tableau. And first of all, what we will do, we'll create a simple chart which will help us understand about daily profits. So let me drag order date and I will make this as exact date and make this as discrete. So you can see that I'm getting each and every days. After that, I'll put sum of profit and make this as a bar. And now when I hover, you see that you're getting the values out here. So this is sum of profit and order date. And this is what? This is my individual orders profit, individual days profit is what we are getting here. So we are getting some good numbers. Now, what we will do is we'll first create a calculated field, which is profit per day. Now we are looking for profit per day. If you think how we can achieve that, profit per day is what we need. That means I have to fix something. I want to fix order date and then find the sum of profit. So basically we will create a calculated field which will help us to find the profit per day. So you can see that fixed, I want to fix order date, sum of profit. This is the logic which we have built. Now here I'm fixing each day. So what is the granularity out here? My data is at order date level. So if I fix at order date, the profit which I will get is at the day level. And that is what we are getting here also. No rocket science. We already see that because my granularity is at that level. But the problem is if the granularity is not at that level, then what will be the output? And that is what we are trying to solve here. So we are fixing order date and get the sum of profit. Click OK. Before that, we'll give the name as profit per day. And let's click OK, and this field is created. After that, what we will do, I want to segregate the data based on profit. For example, if my profit per day is greater than 2000, I want to mention that as highly profitable. If the profit per day is less than or equal to 0, then it is unprofitable, else profitable. So let's create it. I'll create a calculated field here, and the logic will be daily profit KPI. And here, if profit per day is greater than 2000, then highly profitable, else if profit per day is less than equal to 0, then unprofitable, else make it profitable. And this is the logic which we have created now. So any profit per day greater than 2000 will be highly profitable, unprofitable if less than equal to 0, else profitable. Let's click OK. This is created. Now what we can do, we can put this in color. So I put this in color. You see that something happened here. So here the profit is 1358. As per the logic, it is less than 2000 but greater than 0. That's why it is profitable. If let's go down, these are reds, which are negative profit, perfectly fine. If I sort the values and go at the top here, you can see these are the days where the profits are more than 2000. So the logic is built successfully. But now we want to put this in the different chart altogether. I have to know how many days are there which are profitable, which are unprofitable, and which are highly profitable. So let's say I want to create a view in a way that I have year and maybe I have a month as well. I'll remove this quarter. So I have year and month, and I will have this daily KPI field which we have created. Let me drag it here. You can see that now I'm getting three options: highly profitable, profitable, and unprofitable. And after that, what I will do, I'll drag this order date and make this as count distinct of days. And now from here, you can see that you're getting some numbers. For example, 17, then 15, and so on. If I go to year 2006, 1, 2, 3, looks like only 3 days are highly profitable. Want to check that? Let's try to see that. In 2016, 3 days. So if I go here, 1, 2, and 3. These are the 3 days. If you see 14, 12, 4, 11, and 23, 9. Here you can see it's in month of September, it is month of November, it is month of December. Absolutely. So you can see how the data is very much. I'm able to see like which how many days is profitable and unprofitable. 1 day, 1 day, and 1 day. Here there is a peak in 2019 October. There are two distinct values we have. So if I go to October 2019 here, 2019 October is 10. So this is one value, and there should be one more value of 2019. Here we go. So these two are October days which are highly profitable, and you can see that from this chart we will able to understand it clearly. So hope this makes sense how this is gonna give me. Let's make it more beautiful. So let's duplicate it, make it as dual axis, and I don't want this one, so I'll just uncheck row header, and here I will go and make one as an area, other as a line, which is pretty much fine. And also I want in all, I want this daily profit as a color. So you can see that now I'm getting color highly profitable, profitable, and unprofitable. And maybe this is the area, which is fine. This is the line. Let's try to increase the width of a line, and now you can see that it is looking bit beautiful. If you make it as entire view, you can see this whole view coming in, and this is showing me how many days are profitable, how many days are highly profitable, how many days are unprofitable. So you see that with the small fixed function which we use, we are able to get a good insights from data. So hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next example. Till then, happy analyzing.